Hi friends, welcome to Velan Architect. Today HT design for single floor house. So now we set by unit by feet and fraction inches and go to level set for 10 feet. Go for level 1. Select wall rectangular option. Then unconnected height level 2. Create a rectangular and modify. Select front dimension 23 feet and side dimension 31 feet. Again select a rectangular wall. Now I select this dimension 8.5 feet and this 8 feet. Then trim and join. Select additional walls and delete. Then set bar a main door. Load family. Select a double door option. I choose one normal size and set a main door. Here set a main door and choose a window. Select for normal size. Fit for main door near and again select for a window. Set left side and select this one. Copy. Choose for multiple. Three door option. The set. Select and copy and paste to back side. Okay, again create a wall. Here a line wall. Go to modify and split. This particular square room is headroom. Then unconnected height is 18 feet. 18 feet. This wall deleted. The adjustment of level window or same of the top of the door. Create a roof. Take rectangular option. A complete rectangular profile. Finally okay. This floor. Copy and paste level 2. Level 2 floor has been boundary adjustment 3 feet offset. Okay, go to level 2, create a wall, rectangular option, take a rectangular option. This wall adjustment at the end of the headroom wall. Also this side wall adjustment for the headroom end of wall. Go to 3D view, adjustment the wall heights. So select a wall, base offset -2 feet and then unconnected height 5 or 4 feet, 5 feet. So totally 5 feet. Select a match properties. Select these all parapet walls. So left side wall has been a edit boundary because here create a grill work. So select additional lines and delete it. Also go to front wall and edit profile. Select a rectangular, create rectangular and trim and join. Then select additional lines and delete. Go to level 2 architecture and create a railing. Choose 900 mm pipe. Here create a grill. Create a rail grid. Go to level 1. Select exterior glassing. Create 4 feet length, 4 or 3, 3.25 feet. Set a wireframe. Select a glassing and adjustment that height adjustments. Yeah, maybe base level offset 2 or 3 feet. Set a wireframe. Edit type. Here automatic emped. Okay. Now this edit boundary at the center of wall because the appear clear glass. The floor is wood flooring. Floor is wood flooring. Okay. So components, go to gas work 1, select one gas work 1. Now create a reference plane because the exterior design. This reference line is called the FW. Go to south direction, create extrusion, reference wall, create a headroom roof slab, again extrusion, front wall offset, front wall reference, create a rectangular extrusion. This like for same for top. Again create extrusion, reference front wall, create extrusion design. Cut off the grill work. And a rectangular design and split and trim and joint. Finally select extra lines and delete. Finally OK. Extrusion adjustments. Create extrusion, reference front wall, OK. Choose rectangular option. Create a vertical plane. And then OK. Adjustment this extrusion. Go to south side. Create extrusion. Pick a wall. So create rectangular option. Again extrusion. Pick a plane. Wall is big plane. And take a rectangular option. Create a extrusion design like a steps design. Select extra lines and delete. Final then OK. OK. Choose all extrusions and adjustment for extrusion end. It's 2 inches extrusion on the wall, and this also 2 inches extrusion, and this panel 2 inches extrusion. This is 3 inches extrusion, and this rectangular 4 inches extrusion, and this roof slab extrusion 4 inch extrusion. Set a side view, adjustment bar roof slab extrusion at the edge of the headroom. Okay. All extrusion should be provide a material. So biget air materials. Here I set a color materials. I like this one. Choose and OK. Apply OK. This also. This is this extrusion adjustments. At the left side extrusion adjustments. And join this. Biget air materials. Also I create a material. Create a new material. I like this one color. Left side extrusion and front side extrusion is same material. Okay. And this extrusion by category. Create new material. Appearance. Sourced color. This is like a dark color. And apply OK. And rules of extrusion by category materials is white material like gypsum wallboard. Also this powder extrusion white material. Go to front view, south direction, create extrusion, front wall reference, take rectangular, create here and then finish. This category materials is create new material, appearance, load the image like a tester, elevation tile tester, like a wood, then apply OK. Also adjustment this extrusion. So side view and adjustment this extrusion. Side view and adjustment the plane set extrusion. Okay. Final then OK. Select a wall and edit type by category material. The all walls should be gypsum wallboard like a white material. Apply OK. Here edit profile, the plane is consists of a rectangular, hollow rectangular. Okay. Go to south direction. Like here wall reveal, edit type. Here one brick wall and apply OK. Vertical reveal and horizontal reveal. Here create a horizontal reveal but not create a vertical reveal. So again create a vertical reveal. You should place a front wall. Finally create a reveal. Okay. Modify, go to paint tool, gypsum text, gypsum wallboard, side slab material. Go to side view, create a topo surface and go to south direction. The topo surface should be at the bottom of building. Then modify, create a compound wall 5 feet height, rectangle option. This wall should be a generic 200 mm. Create a rectangular. Go to components and select a trees. Set trees backside for buildings and set a camera and front of building. Now adjustment for frames. Finally rendering for our project. Any doubt please comment here. Thank you.